Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some rice, okay? Some plain rice. So here I have 1.5 cup to 2 cup of long grain rice. You can always use basmati rice. These are my seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of salt, okay? And 1 spoon of butter. I've got some fresh thyme, some scallion, and 1 scotch bonnet pepper. You don't have to add all this, but I'm just showing you guys there's our other way you can make plain rice and for it to be, you know, flavorful, okay? Yes. So now I'm just gonna wash my rice, and I'm gonna wash it in some cool water, okay? You just want to make sure that you remove all the starch. Just drain it off. You want your water to look very clear. So you see the water is looking nice and clear. So it is all ready. It is nicely washed. So that's done. So I add my rice to my pot. So now I'm gonna add at least 1 cup of water, okay? You don't need a lot, guys. Otherwise your rice is gonna be too soft. So that's perfect for me, okay? Then I'm gonna add all my seasoning. My fresh thyme, scotch bonnet pepper. Everything is already washed, okay? And my scallion. You're just gonna press it down so the juice and all the flavor come right through. And lastly, my butter. The butter is gonna all melt. So I'm just gonna leave it, guys, for at least 15 minutes or so, okay? I'm gonna cover my pot. So my rice is perfectly cooked, guys, and it's been cooking just over 15 to 20 minutes, okay? As you can see, the steam is coming right through, and I'm telling you, it's looking super delicious. What you can do, you can remove the scotch bonnet pepper, the thyme, and the scallion, okay? You can always remove it. So I'm just gonna take my fork and just mix it through, okay? As you can see, it is not sticky. It is perfectly shelly, and that's exactly how you want it. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do, this is totally optional, but I'm just gonna add 1 spoon of butter in it, okay? And you just wanna mix it all the way through. Yeah. Guys, please don't forget to thumbs me up, thumbs this video up, share it to your families, your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. I work so hard just to get this video out for you guys, so please support my channel. And if you have been supporting my channel, I thank you all so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. I appreciate you all. You can serve it with some curry goat, with some, fried chicken, with some stewed chicken, whatever you prefer, guys. But this is how I make my rice at times. I don't always put the scotch bonnet pepper in it and the spring onion, but I'm just showing you guys there are other way you can make your rice and for it to be flavorful. Okay? Yes. So I'm just gonna plate it up for you guys and show you how it look. And I'm telling you, it looking super yummy, so Shelly as I like it. Guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, where wait pan, please hit that subscribe button and subscribe right now so you can receive more amazing delicious recipe like these. It's so free to subscribe, okay? And don't forget, guys, to share it. Please share. I'm just gonna taste it and I'm telling you, it tastes amazing. Honestly, this recipe is a must try. If you do try this recipe, comment below and tell me what it's like, okay? Yes. Guys, I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Stay blessed. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye, guys. Much love.